4. Did you know this bird can kill lions? This is the secretary bird. It's known for its unique dance, which involves stomping on the ground to crush the bones of its prey. But did you know that this bird also hunts snakes? And not just any snakes, venomous snakes. And it can kill them with one single stomp. The secretary bird has long legs and a thick, strong neck, which allows it to reach down and grab a snake before it can strike. It then proceeds to stomp on the snake until it's dead. But the most impressive part of all this is that the secretary bird can take down a lion. That's right, this bird is not afraid of lions. In fact, it will hunt them. The secretary bird will fly down onto a lion and start stabbing it with its beak until the lion is too weak to fight back. Then it will finish the job with a few well-placed stomps. The secretary bird is a true apex predator. It's not afraid of anything, and it will kill anything that gets in its way. This bird is a fashion icon and a deadly hunter.